Hi everyone, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we will discuss software test engineer roles and responsibility, right? So this roles and responsibility when you will hire as a manual tester, then what is your roles and responsibility we will discuss. In the last session, we have already discussed the important topic like how to find the scenario, how to write the test cases. This all the things will come in your roles and responsibility as well. Okay, so if someone will ask in the interview what is your roles and responsibility, so you are able to explain as well, and you have to do the practice as well, right? So suppose you are doing or you are preparing for interview for the like a manual testing. You are try to you are attend you want to attend the interview and you are attending the interview, right? So this question will come to you. This is very important question, what you have done in your previous project and all. Okay, so here you not only you have to know, you have to do the practice also, right? What is your roles and responsibility, right? So we will explore that. Okay, the first point is understand the requirement and functional specification of the application. Okay, so the last session we have already discussed what is the agile process, right? In the agile, we have a requirement. When you will assign the task, right, you have to understand the requirement. So see, if the requirement might be, they will mention on your task, or I can say in your defect or bug, right? Or what happen when you will get assigned the task, right? You will get some document as well. Might be that document is called functional specification document and all. So you have to understand clearly the requirement. Okay, after understanding the requirement, you have to identifying the required test scenario. So parallelly, what we can do, read the document, and you can just read one time the document high level, understand that, then second time you can find the scenario. Okay, so another task is to finding the scenario. In the last session I already discussed you guys how to find the scenario. Okay, so another, after finding the scenario, right, designing and preparing the test case to validate the application. Okay, so how to design the test case I have already discussed in my previous session video, so you can just watch that. Okay, execute the test case to validate the application. So guys, this all the things will come when you work in your real time and we follow the agile process, right? So about 2 week a sprint or 3 week a sprint, it depend upon your project. So basically, mostly we having the 2 week a sprint. So sometime 3 week also. I have worked in the many project. They having the 3 weeks also and 2 weeks also. So when you will assign the task, right? So that code is not deploy on your QA. I'm just giving you internally what is going to happen. Understood, right? So what happened? Developer is going to change the code base, right? So when this code base will come to you, right, you are ready for execution. Before that, you have to find the scenario, you have to write the test cases, and you have to create a test data as well. Everything must be prepared. Got it right? So when the code will deploy it in a QA environment, you have to start to the execution. So same thing here I have mentioned, execute the test case to validate the application. Understood, right? When you are going to validate the test case, right? So you have to log the status as well. Either the test case is passed or failed. Okay, so we can log this status properly. If you are using any tools, then we can uh, you know update their status as well. Or if you are using Excel sheet, then you have to update over there. So you have to just update the status. Defect reporting and tracking, right? So might be some test case are failed and you have to, you know you have to or you are finding some new defect as well, then you have to raise the defect and you keep that in some tracker, so we can show this. And if someone will ask you the status of the defect and all, so we can share with them. Retest fix defect of the previous build. Okay, so might be in this, see, I can say build, right? I already discussed what is the build, right? So new version of the software, right? When we have a like something is going to change in the code base, right? So this is the new build. Understood, right? So retest the fixed defect of the previous build. In the previous build, I can say whatever the like now in this build we found some defect, right? And that is fixed. Okay, so this will come to the this build, current build, so we can retest. So it depend upon if you are getting the assign, then you have to retest. What is I'm trying to say, if we have some existing defect in the previous or whatever it will assign to you, then we can retest. Okay, perform the various type of the testing assigned by the test lead. Okay, so we are performing different types of the testing here. Basically I have written functionality, usability, right, user interface, capability. So the main testing, we do a smoke testing when the deployment will happen. We can do the sanity testing and we can do the regression testing as well. Okay, so depend upon what type of the testing required, we can do according to the requirement. Report to the test lead about the status of assigned task. Okay, so definitely if you will assign some task, then you have to give the status, what is the status and all. Okay, the people who is your POC means your might be your manager or your test lead. Daily status report, yeah, we have to also give some time daily status report what you have done today. Daily defect report, right? Today how many defect you found, if you found or if you not found. So we have to track each and everything. So when you are working, then you have a your some personal tracker, guys. Okay, so someone will ask you, or if you have some tracker, then we have to update over there. Please do not miss that, otherwise we are not able to give this proper report. Okay, weekly status report. So some and see, this is your daily status, then we have to also give some weekly status report as well. So depend upon what type of the report they are going to ask you, either how many test cases are executed, how many defect you found, and all this type of all the status you have to give. You will get some proper template, don't worry about that. But this weekly status report will go to that stakeholder as well and your manager also. Retesting report, how many defect you have retested. So all this thing we capture. I'm just giving you this, I can say all the activity almost you will get if you will placed or you are working in your manual testing. Okay, participated in the regular team meeting by the lead and manager. One more thing I want to discuss, in agile, when you follow the agile, basically we have a sprint meeting. Okay, so mostly we have a two sprint meeting, one meeting with our internal team and one meeting with your stakeholder. It depend upon the project to project. Sometime only one meeting is there, directly we have a stakeholder or directly we have a, I can say your internal team. It depend upon your project, how they are following. Okay, so you have to give your status daily regular meeting, and what we have to give the status. Okay, okay, so now provide the enhancement to the project based on the end user perspective. Yeah, sometime like we if you are have a very good experience and the same application or same domain, so what happened, we have a sometime meeting with our stakeholder, so you can share your recommendation enhancement, as an end user activity and all. Okay, so you can give the feedback to the application to the stakeholder as well. Okay, so this mostly this all the types of the activity we follow, but you have to not like you have to start like this. Okay, first of all you have to explain. Basically we follow the agile process, then we have a 2 week of the sprint. Now we are getting the assigned task and this is your roles and responsibility, right? So better you can also watch my video for the agile process, what the activity we do the agile process, and this is your roles and responsibility. Okay, that's all in this video, guys. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let me show you some important playlist in my channel. Okay. So just you can go to the YouTube, and my channel name is Ingenious TechHub. Okay. So if you will go in the Ingenious TechHub, here So till now I have uploaded around 34 video. I'll keep here. Till now I have uploaded around 34 video for manual testing training. You can just go for this playlist, and this playlist you can just go for this manual testing tutorial with the real time example. Okay, so this just go for, if you are very beginner you can start from the starting. Okay, and you can just watch some of the video related to agile, how to design the test cases, test scenario, how to write that, how to raise the defect and all. Yeah guys, so coming days we will also planning to teach you some defect tracking tools. So coming days we'll create a video for that, will come in your channel, in our channel. Okay, and apart from that you will get many video, like if you are attending the interview, like this is the very common question: what is your what the challenges you have faced in your current project, or what is your roles and responsibility? I have already discussed, right? So here you will get some like day-to-day activity. Tell me about yourself. If you are attending the first time the interview, interviewer will ask you, tell me about yourself and all. So this all the things, you will get here some real time. So just go and explore this tutorial. And if you guys are attending the interview already, so in this, let me go you, I'll show you some like this is for top level of the interview question for MNC, but they also ask automation like Java, Selenium, API testing related things. So you can just explore what type of the question they're going to ask you. One more thing, guys, if you want to learn automation testing, so this is my website where you will get self-paced course. Okay. So now if you want to learn Java Selenium, you can parallelly also, I can say, explore your knowledge, right? So mostly company they are looking for Java Selenium or any automation. So Java Selenium is the common, a skill set in the market. So you can just go and you can explore this. Sorry. So now we are providing the discount only. This, if you will apply this coupon, you will get like 75% discount. The course fee is only 750. So before that, before proceeding this, you can just go in syllabus section. I'll show you. So in this syllabus section, you will get syllabus and you will get some demo video also. Watch this if you will feel this is profitable for you. Please enroll this course, and this is for limited time for this. Basically, this course price is high, okay, but I have given 75% discount now. So just you can watch the demo video, and definitely this will be helpful for you guys. If you will add your skill in automation in your resume as well, right, then you will get many calls. Okay, so you have a more possibility to get the interview calls. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you so much. In the next video, bye bye.